Good morning, traders, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So a pretty interesting scenario we have had here. So we have had this test of this previous high, and that is right over there at 35.94. So we've had the test there, and at the moment it's not looking bullish or bearish. Looking pretty confused as far as I'm concerned. And you can see the sideways motion is still in play. So it's big up, big down, big up, big down, big down, and then look at this massive engulfing bar here. Okay, so yeah, I'm still of the opinion that we are more than likely going to be moving up. And this is just a bit of a consolidation, and what you want to do is just keep that trend line drawn in. Okay, that's a trend line you need to be watching. We need to be a break and a retest of that trend line, and then we're looking for a move, continuation to the upside. So 36.30 is the area that I'm looking for at the moment. Okay. One other thing to bear in mind is we did come back, close the gap, didn't quite test this breakout level, so that could also happen. And the other thing that I would expect is this previous daily, weekly area of 35.94. We closed below it, and then we immediately came above it, so I would expect us to come back into this area as well. So looking at the 1 hour, that is a perfect picture of what not to trade. Okay, you can see big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion. This engulfing bar is pretty telling, okay, from a bullish perspective. And then you've got this little flag forming, and I think you'll probably see that better on a 15-minute chart. There you go. So there's your big move up. Okay, and then you had a little gap down here, which is always an indication that you're going to have price coming back. Price came back, and what's happening at the moment? We are forming a wedge. Okay, we're forming a wedge, and we are forming that wedge off more than likely a 61.8 retracement. Yeah, pretty much in the ballpark. Okay, so classic price action here. So next step is obviously a break of this wedge, and then a retest of this trend line of 36.30. Okay, so at the moment I'm not looking to trade that. I want that level, I want that level, and I want that one. Just delete the noise. So at the moment I'm not looking to trade it right now. I'm watching very carefully what's going to happen here. If we can hold this area that we are bouncing off now, okay, which is the 61.8, the previous move, which is 36. Let's just call it, round it off to 3600. If 3600 can hold, then next step is going to be 3700. Okay, and that's going to be a break to the upside. If this trend line breaks as well, then you're looking for a retest of this area, and the retest is going to be of the breakout, which is more than likely that area there of 36.22. Move up, come down, hold this level, and continue moving to the upside. And I think that is pretty much what is going to transpire. Okay, but for now it's sideways, so we need to find some structure, and the structure is going to be a break above this consolidation, retest it, and then start moving to the upside. Okay, converse, I'm not even looking at the converse to be honest, but if this low of yesterday does go, then you do have quite a bit of support a little bit further down here. Okay, and quite a lot of support. I can actually do that. Okay, and then obviously bottom of the bigger range right down there. Okay, so anyway, that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. This consolidation needs to break one way or another before I start looking at this. I'm favoring the move to the upside purely because the trend is up, and you know, if I delete all the noise that I've just put in, and we add that on the 8 hour, what does it give you? Strong move up, consolidation, next move up. And that measure, I'm not even going to put that measured move in because it's just going to get you way too excited. But that's going to be targeting the 4,000 area. Okay, so right now, looking at it on the 8 hour there as well, you can see big up, big down, lots of tails to the upside, lots of tails to the downside. Looks like barbed wire, confusion. Until we get a direction, my advice is just be patient, wait for it. It's going to happen shortly. And you can see what have we done. We just closed an hour bar. Yes, we just closed an hour bar. Another engulfing. So let's see what it transpires. But we need to break these highs before we start looking for new trades. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.